Grandma taking care of your old grandma's legs because they got bad veins, eh?
Yeah.
Because grandma's old.
Yeah.
I used to be able to walk around and run and play. I used to play netball, which is a really fast, fun game. But now grandma's got a sore hip, so that's why I can't. But I love how much you're concentrating on it too. You're really concentrating. I can see how good you are at it. That's the way. And you rub it in, and that makes grandma feel so relaxed. Did you know that? When you relax people with your hands, it makes them feel calm and happy. So thank you for that. Beautiful. Oh, wow. That's
the more cream you need?
No, that's plenty. You've done such good work. Ooh. And down to that little bit down to my ankle. Just a little bit of rubbing down to my ankle. No, don't have to put more cream.
Your
just
ankle here.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah, on the side of my ankle. Yeah, that's it. Here, I'll give you just a little bit of this one, just for the side of my ankle, and then that will be enough because you've done such a beautiful job already. You don't need heaps and heaps, just a little bit for the side of my ankle. Up there on the side of my ankle. And that'll be perfect. Oh, wow. That's where grandma's leg hurts there. On my ankle and my heel.
I'm like a massasager.
You really are. You're not like a massasager. You are a proper masseuse. I think the word is a masseuse. Massager, yeah. So rub it in.
Next.
You can rub it in a little bit more into there, yeah, because look, there's lots of cream still there. You've done a beautiful job. Look at my grandma's lovely.
See this part? Ooh, ah!
Yay! Give me 5 up there. Wow! Now you can go wash your hands and come back first. I have to have a little bitty kiss, please, because I love you so much. Can I have a little bitty kiss? I know your hands are sticky, but I think grandmas want love and they want their little grandsons to say, thank you so much for that. Oh, crawling you're like a commando.
What's a commando?
Commando, don't you know what a commando is?
Yeah.
It's someone that fights in the war, and they crawl on their stomachs on the ground, and nobody can see them. Go ask Pops what is a commando, because commando wears the colour of the jungle, and nobody can see them, and they crawl on their arms, just like you were doing, just then, like that was like a commando. So you're a commando massager.
Like that?
Yeah, like that. And then you keep your head down. Nobody can see you. So then the baddies, what happens is the baddies will never see you. And then when you're in the right spot, you get your sniper out. You know what a sniper is?
No.
Sniper is a special gun that commandos use. And you're on your tummy and you get your special gun out. And it's got a special thing that you look through so that you can see from far away. And then you can see the baddie right there, and it's got a mark in the middle with a dot in the middle, and you just go and it fires miles and miles and miles away, and you get the bad guy.
Oh, it aims out it and then you go.
Yeah, tell Pops knows about commandos. Oh, thank you, my darling.